Imagine waking up to find your refrigerator has sent you a text message saying, "Hey, I noticed you've been grabbing ice cream more than usual. Everything alright?" In 2017, a smart fridge from Samsung, equipped with internal cameras and AI, analyzed the food habits of its owner and detected an unusual pattern. The fridge's AI noticed a sudden spike in ice cream consumption, correlating it with late-night fridge visits. This prompted the fridge to send a concerned message to its owner, who, taken aback by the intrusion yet touched by the digital empathy, realized they had been stress-eating due to work pressure. This seemingly mundane event became a poignant reminder of how AI, embedded in our everyday appliances, could evolve from mere assistants to empathetic companions, subtly nudging us to take better care of our mental well-being.